Today in 4th class we will learn about Amazon budget planning and private label types. Amazon budget planning and private labeling are critical aspects of building a successful business on the platform. Here's an in-depth look at each. Amazon budget planning. Budget planning for an Amazon business involves several key components. Number 1. Product costs. Manufacturing, procurement, cost of producing or purchasing inventory. Shipping to Amazon. No. Costs associated with shipping products to Amazon's fulfillment centers, if using FBA, or to your own warehouse, if using FBM. Number 2. Amazon fees. Referral fees, a percentage of the selling price, varying by product category. Fulfillment fees, for FBA. This includes picking, packing, and shipping costs. Storage fees. Monthly and long-term storage fees for keeping inventory in Amazon's warehouses. Number 3. Marketing and advertising. Amazon advertising. Costs for sponsored products, sponsored brands, and other ad types. Promotions and discounts. Budget for running deals, coupons, and special promotions. Number 4. Operating expenses. Tools and software. Subscription fees for inventory management, repricing tools, analytics, etc. Professional services. Costs for photography, copywriting, consulting, etc. Shipping supplies, packaging materials and other shipping supplies if using FBM. Number 5. Other costs. Returns and refunds. Budget for handling returns and potential loss of inventory. Taxes and duties, import duties, sales taxes, and other related expenses. Insurance. Product liability insurance or business insurance. Steps for budget planning. Number 1. Estimate monthly sales volume, based on market research, historical data, or sales projections. Number 2. Calculate costs. Break down all fixed and variable costs associated with running your Amazon business. Number 3. Set revenue goals. Define target sales and profit margins. Number 4. Allocate budget. Distribute the budget across different areas like inventory, marketing, and operations. Number 5. Monitor and adjust. Regularly review financial performance and adjust the budget as needed. Private label types on Amazon. Private labeling involves creating your own brand and applying it to products that are manufactured by a third party. There are different types of private labeling approaches. Number 1. Generic private label. Description. Rebranding a generic product with your own brand name and packaging. Example. Selling a standard kitchen utensil set under your own brand. Number 2. Enhanced private label. Description. Adding some customization or improvements to an existing generic product to differentiate it from competitors. Example. Selling a kitchen utensil set with added features, like ergonomic handles or unique color schemes. Number 3. Custom private label. Description. Designing a unique product from scratch with specific features and branding that are not available from other sellers. Example. Creating a completely new kitchen utensil set with patented designs and materials. Steps to launch a private label on Amazon. Number 1. Market research. Identify profitable product niches with high demand and low competition. Analyze competitors and their offerings. Number 2. Sourcing. Find a reliable manufacturer or supplier, e.g., via Alibaba or other sourcing platforms. Negotiate pricing, minimum order quantities, and terms. Number 3. Branding. Create a brand name, logo, and packaging design. Register your brand with Amazon Brand Registry to protect intellectual property and access additional tools. Number 4. Product development. Work with manufacturers to develop your product, including any customizations or improvements. Order samples and conduct quality checks. Number 5. Listing creation. Create an Amazon product listing with high-quality images, compelling titles, bullet points, descriptions, and keywords. Optimize the listing for search visibility and conversion. Number 6. Launch and marketing. Launch your product with a marketing strategy that includes Amazon PPC, promotions, and external traffic sources. Gather customer reviews and feedback to build social proof. Number 7. Inventory management. Monitor inventory levels and reorder as needed to avoid stockouts. Use FBA or FBM based on your fulfillment strategy. Conclusion. Budget planning is essential for managing the financial aspects of selling on Amazon, ensuring you allocate resources effectively across different areas of your business. Private labeling allows you to build your own brand and differentiate your products in the marketplace, with various approaches ranging from generic rebranding to fully custom product development. Both require careful planning, execution, and ongoing management to succeed on Amazon.